This is the Gate-A-Mation video showing you how to program the FAC868 remote controls to operate your gate system. We've got two types of remote control here. We've got a 2-button and a 4-button. You'll notice they're black and white, but they come in either colour. The black remote control, which is the 2-button remote control we have here, is actually the existing remote control that operates the gate. We've wired it up to a sounder so that you can see it operating. So if we press the button, you'll hear the sounder. The 2 white remote controls, which are actually 4-button remote controls, currently are not programmed to the system, and they represent ones that you've just bought from us that haven't been programmed. So if we press the button on the remote control, nothing will happen. Okay, first of all, we need to put the existing remote control into programming mode, and that is done by pushing buttons 1 and 2 simultaneously. You'll notice that 1 and 2 are directly opposite each other, and it's worth noting that for your 4-button remote control. So push and hold. Once you do that, the light will start flashing. You can now let it go. You then take the remote control that you want to program and you put them towards each other with the LEDs facing. If it comes out of programming mode, the LED will stop. You just have to put it back into programming mode. So pushing 1 and 2 simultaneously until the light flashes. Now, with it flashing, you push the button that you want to copy, which in this case is number 1. You'll notice the LED goes solid. Then, on the remote control that you want to copy, you push the button that you want to copy. In this case, button number 1. What it did was it flashed to let you know that it had received the information. The next thing to do is obviously to try the new remote control. The first time you press the button, it's telling the receiver that it exists and it won't open your gates. So you'll notice how the sounder didn't go off. However, the second time that you push it, it will. And there we go. Now we've got a remote control in a packet, and you can do them in the packet and program them up in the packet if you want to. So we'll program up this remote control as well. Any existing remote control that's working can program it. So we could have, if we wanted to, program it from the one that we've just programmed, but we'll program it from the black one again. So again, pushing 1 and 2 simultaneously until the light flashes, then pushing and holding the button that you want to copy, putting the remote control close by, and holding the button that you want to copy, and then you let go of both of them. To remind you, the first time that you push the button on the new remote control, it will not operate the gate. However, the second time that you operate it, it will. And there you go. I hope that's helped you program the FAC868 remote control.